All right, guys. You know what? Maybe I should start calling y'all family because I feel like we're in this together. So I charged it up. We were at 12.5 volts. Now this is what happens though when I charge it. Oh, when I turn it on. Maybe you can help me out. Choke on. This is what I get. Nothing. Absolutely nothing. I just replaced the spark plugs too. And yeah, I'm at a loss. At kind of a loss. So I think the big orange beast has beat me for today. And now I apparently have a fuel leak. Let's turn this off for now. Okay. All right, YouTube family. We need you. I need you. My grass needs you.